This video shows you the feature of the STELR Renewable Energy Testing Station. I'm going to show you how it works using the STELR battery and the red and black wires. So the first thing you'll notice on the testing station is some of the sockets are yellow and the other ones are red and black. So the yellow ones indicate that it's not important which one is plugged into positive or negative, whereas the red and the black ones, the black is the negative, and there is a common negative for both the buzzer and the LED and separate positive sockets for them. So I'll connect up the battery and show you how the different parts of the testing station work. We'll start with the motor, which is attached to a little fan here, and I'll plug that in and you'll see that the fan starts going. If I plug it in the other way, the fan just goes the other way around. Now we'll look at some of the other features. There's a variable resistor here. This can be used as a dimmer switch for the light or the buzzer, but it can also be used in the wind energy experiments. The lamp, it's not important which way you plug those in. You can see that the lamp is going there. However, with the buzzer, it's important that we have negative to negative, positive to positive, and you can hear the buzzer going. If I plug it in the other way, the buzzer doesn't work. The same thing with the LED, and the red LED lights up. If I put them in the other way, the light does not work. All of these separate parts can be replaced. However, you need to have some soldering skills to replace those. With the lamp, the teacher's kit contains spare lamps, and some of them are 3 volt and some of them are 6 volt. So I'll just bring in another test rig here, and so you can compare the difference of a 6 volt and a 3 volt light. The 3 volt lamp is obviously easier to light up, but it's also easier to burn out. So you might consider swapping in 3 or 6 volt lamps depending on the situation. Now I'll show you how you can use the variable resistor as a dimmer switch. So what I'm going to do is attach these 2 cables so that the resistor and the light are connected to each other, and then I'll use the battery and complete the circuit like that. You can see that the light lights up, but as I turn the resistor, it becomes dimmer, and then I turn the resistor the other way, it becomes brighter. What I'll do now is move to the buzzer. So I'm connecting now the resistor to the buzzer and the battery also to the buzzer. And that very annoying noise is becoming less and less, and then I turn it the other way and it comes in again.